Alongside the Xiaomi 15s Pro smartphone, Xiaomi today introduced the Xiaomi Pads Ultra. It's the largest and most expensive tablet yet. It ships with this in-house XRING O1 chipset along with 12,000 mAh battery. It runs HyperOS 2 atop Android 15 and comes with 14-inch OLED panel. The display uses TCL M9 luminous material, supports 3.2K resolution 3:2, aspect ratio, and offers 120 Hz refresh rate with a global brightness of 900 nits and peak brightness going up to 1600 nits. Xiaomi is shipping it with a Nano Soft Light Screen coating, which has anti-reflective coating and nano level etching that claims to eliminate 98% of ambient light interference. Under the hood, the tablet runs new in-house XRING O1 chipset fabricated on TSMC 3nm N3E process. It uses a 10-core architecture broken down into 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 clusters. The fastest core is around 3.7 gigahertz. Xiaomi is using latest LPDDR5T RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. It has 120 watt fast charging and the USB port is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port. It has minimalistic design with 5.1 millimeter thickness and weight of 609 grams. The bezels are narrow at 3.95 millimeter and the front-facing camera is 32 megapixel. On the back, you got a 15 megapixel camera. Audio is handled by 8 speakers, which include 4 microphones and 4 amplifiers. There's support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and IR blaster. Users have an option to get color match keyboard from Pad 7 Ultra. The keys are 1.3 mm key travel distance. It starts at $800 for the base 12 256 GB variant.